In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Chase Trip Cancellation Protection. So the first thing you want to do is book your trip using an eligible Chase credit card that offers trip cancellation insurance, such as a Chase Sapphire Reserve or Chase Sapphire Preferred. Keep all the documentation related to your trip, including the itineraries, receipts, and confirmation emails. If you need to cancel your trip due to a covered reason, do so as soon as possible. Then contact the Chase Benefit Administrator within 20 days of the cancellation by calling the number listed in your credit card's guide to benefits. Then gather required documentation to support your claim. This includes completed and signed claim form, a travel itinerary, and documentation confirming the reason for the trip cancellation. This also includes credit card account statement showing the trip-related transactions, copies of the cancellation and refund policies from the travel provider, and any unused credits or vouchers. Then submit all required documentation within 90 days of the cancellation date. If filing online, visit www.eclaimsline.com to submit your claims and supporting documents. Then wait for the Benefits and Administrator to review your claim. They may request additional information if needed. If approved, you'll receive your reimbursement for your eligible non-refundable prepaid travel expenses, up to the coverage limit to your specific Chase card. Remember that the coverage amounts varies by card. For example, the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers up to $10,000 per person and $20,000 per trip. Ensure your trip does not exceed the 60 consecutive days, as that's typically the maximum coverage period. Also, be aware that certain circumstances, such as pre-existing medical conditions or changes in financial circumstances, are not covered. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.